Hey guys, welcome back to the Yorkshire Car Restoration YouTube channel, and this isn't exactly a classic, but it's an up and coming classic, isn't it? Now this is a Mk1 Focus RS from 2003. Yeah, and this is actually Paul's. Paul is the owner of this car. This is the first time Paul's actually been on the channel, but we have already done a car for him, which is a BMW E30 M3. About 6 episodes, but it's not on the channel yet, so you will see that in a coming series.
Well, this one I got to replace another one that I had. It's just one that basically is a project to get it all up and running, have it standard.
If anyone's interested, this car will be for sale once it's completed. So tell me what we're doing on it. Is it going to be full paint?
Yeah, it's got the full paint engine bay underneath. It's low mileage and 70,000 miles.
Yeah.
So,
are you keeping this completely bone stock?
It's going to be stock, yeah. It wasn't when I got it, but it's going to be stock, this one.
Right, so, fantastic. Yeah. We're going to get this up on the ramp and see exactly what we need to do. Right, the engine came out very easy because Paul only balanced it in here, obviously for transportation purposes, because it was coming back out. So, the engine's out. Paul's just in the cabin disconnecting the steering rack, and then we can take these big bolts out. We can get the anti-roll bars and the top mount, and then we can pull all this front subframe off in a wanner and wheel it out. Then obviously we can start dismantling it, ready for powder coating. But before that, we're going to get onto that rear subframe as well. So front subframe first, rear subframe, get everything off the car, and then we can start dismantling these bits for powder coating. We are meaning business today. Now, we're onto this front subframe. The rear subframe we dropped, no problem. I think you loosened all the bolts 2 years ago, did you? 2 years ago, loosened all the bolts because you were going to get work on it.
Yeah, I was going to get work done then, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to get work done it 2 years ago.
Yeah.
But 2 years later, we're now here, stripping the front subframe. So we're going to get the wheels off. Paul's already got one off. You've actually protected the discs, haven't you, with these bags? So that's what they're for. And yeah, we're going to get this front subframe all apart, ready for powder coating, and then we'll move on to the rear. I'll just do some impressions real quick. Right, it is the next day now, and we absolutely tore into this car yesterday. That's front axle, rear axle, engine. Yeah, we had a good day yesterday, stripping everything. Also, off cam, we've started stripping the little items. We're getting the bushings out, things like that. So there are a couple of things that Paul's going to replace, and the rear bottom arms, they're actually rusted through, unfortunately. So he's going to have to get some more of them. But he's going to get some new drop links and, you know, all that stuff. So anyway, we've got a nice pile for powder coating, so that can be sorted on Monday, and it's now Sunday. So Paul's going to start stripping the ancillary items. So we've got the bumpers, the front and rear bumper, the lights on the rear. We've got the door card, so we can get the door handles out for obviously a full respray. And I'm going to get down and dirty and start stripping the rear arches, because I know that there's some rust that we need to attend to in there. So yeah, let's do it, man. we've only got 1 minute 26 to do with the outro. So, look at this. We've done quite a speedy job on this one, Paul. Yeah, so we've done a little bit of welding. We've got the front and rear cradles off, got the engine out, got all the core support off. You've done a lot of ancillary items on the doors and the boot and inside. What do you reckon?
Good progress.
Good progress indeed. I think we started at 2:30 yesterday in the afternoon, and it's now 12 o'clock today, so we've not even spent a full day on it, really. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Like I say, this car will be for sale, won't it?
It will be,
How many miles?
70 this one's done.
70,000 miles, and obviously it's going to get a just about a full restoration underneath. Engine reconditioned, bada bing, bada boom. So, catch you in the next episode where we're going to continue on the rust repairs. We're going to get all of the underneath completely dinotrolled, and yeah, we should make some good progress in the next one as well. So, like and subscribe. And yeah, any last words, Paul?
No, just thanks for your time and efforts.